Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through how to log into etrade.com. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Etrade is a well-known online brokerage firm that is a popular choice for many investors. It is one of the top companies for brokerage, investing, and banking services. In order to log into Etrade, go to your web browser and type in us.etrade.com. You'll end up in the official website of Etrade. Now, in order to log in, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner and scroll all the way down and tap on Log On. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on Open an Account and register yourself to a new account first. Once you got an account, you can tap on Log On and you'll be taken to a next page where you can log into your account using your credentials. In the first text field, enter your user ID. In the next field, type in your password. Now, under Go To, you can select your account type from the drop-down. Choose any options, and if you want the system to remember you, tap on Remember My User ID. If you want to use the security code option, tap on Use Security Code, and you'll need to enter the security code once you do that. In case you've forgotten your user ID, go and click on Forgot User ID link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, tap on the password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you're done entering all the credentials needed, tap on Log On, and with this, you'll be able to log in to etrade.com. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.